Hi guys, welcome back to another video with the one and only Jess. And in today's video, as you can see by the title, we'll be doing a blind, deaf and mute baking challenge. My guests aren't currently here. My two guests are preparing themselves because they are nervous to be famous. Unlike I want you guys to see me. But just a backstory, every time, well, my sister and my niece are here, and every time they visit, me and my niece, we bake something. So I decided to add a little more spice to the baking thing and actually record and make it a challenge. So one person is going to be blind, one is going to be deaf, and one is going to be mute. So if you are interested in the chaos and the madness, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications and hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And without further ado, let's get into it. So everybody, meet my lovely. So this is my sister Jodian, and this is my one and only, but my niece Mahalan. So we've decided that sister is going to be not seen. I am going to be mute and wear earphone. Oh, and then Mahalan is going to be deaf. So folks, please prepare yourselves. Oh, I did for sure all of this something them. Anyways, we have strawberry, milk, Oreo, and flour and sugar and baking soda and baking powder and eggs, and you guys will see we're baking crumble, also strawberry cupcake with crumble topping.
So Mahala have to do the talking?
You can do
How's that gonna work? So how do talking? I can't see. I think y'all should switch. Y'all should switch.
Okay, so we switched and mute, deaf and blind. All right, start music. Okay, so we're gonna need you now. Take up your strawberry and we'll go. Oh, I feel like I'm talking in the ears. So we're going to make the puree strawberry and we're going to put it in the, what that name again? In our blender. No, we'll put the strawberry in the blender and then blend it up and then leave it. So, alright, go on, walk her. And then put that in and I'm going to blend it up.
Oh, you gonna blend it? Who's gonna blend it?
What you say? We're not hearing shit I said.
Mahala, who's
I
gonna
think that's
blend
it.
Is it?
Yeah, I put like a more.
Oh, Mahala can't talk.
I'm not hearing you say no.
I'm answering questions that you can't talk. Is it?
Yeah, and then I try to blend it. Weird, all this go. Food chop or smoothie? Smoothie? A smoothie?
No, it's not. It doesn't say puree.
Food chop?
Yeah, food chop.
Gotta
ask mommy.
What?
Ask mommy.
In the water. But in our blend. In our blend.
Mommy. You need water in it? You should need water in it?
What it need?
Mahala, you can hear. You gotta.
It don't need.
Oh, you can't say nothing.
Something money?
Yes. Water a little. I can sign that good.
Okay, guys, we're having technical difficulties. We're gonna put a little water in there. to make it blend. Oh, you're gonna smoothie? Like a puree?
Yeah.
In here. Oh, that not look enough. That enough?
I can't see it. So I don't like
What do you mean in a
How you gotta do sign language?
that look enough? Mommy, that look enough?
How much cup you want?
2 cup? So this need more?
Just blend the whole thing.
Measure it first.
Come, you do it.
Measure this first.
You do it now.
Yes.
Right? Okay, alright. So nobody take up by that then. Just about this.
They smell good. Right now.
Alright, so then we're going to put this back in here and make it stay. So mommy, then the strawberry need to go back in this. Eat one. Alright. And go ahead and make a mess. Okay, so next thing, Jordan, is the 1 2/3 cup of flour. Put the flavor there. I'm not understand what you say. Huh? Where you put it on there? Alright, so it says 1 2/3 cup of flour. Alright.
This one is the third.
This one? No, it's a 1/4 cup.
I
1
don't know. I
third.
can't see.
1/3, so that means 2 of this, right? Would I make 2/3 or something?
Do it.
14.
Just put this up. You see the thing?
What?
Oh my God.
Alright. And then no. What? And then the sieve. So you sieve it. Put it back
It's
in
no
our
more flour, that's it?
What?
Flour. No more.
Yeah, we finish with the flour, but then she said we sieve it.
Yeah, you should put sieve it or put it back in the thing. Yeah, to sieve it.
You did something now.
Put it back in one thing. What we gotta see? Who got time for that?
And all this now, and then sieve it.
Hey, that's wet.
Knock it now, Marlon. Knock it, you don't know for sieve. Sieve. Marlon not gonna do it.
Oh.
And then after that now the baking powder. Baking powder, what that say? 1 teaspoon of baking teaspoon.
Sieve it too.
Hey Jody.
Can't go far. What?
Where the baking soda and then the
Wait. 1
yeah, one, yeah, just
teaspoon
one.
or one
Teaspoon and a
table.
tablespoon.
Tea or table?
Mara, I want tablespoon, Miguel. Oh God.
God, no.
Never mind.
It's okay. Keep
You
going.
might fall, but you must get up. And then baking soda is 1/4 teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon. Baking soda.
It's a 1 1/4. So put 1. Did you put 2?
She can't hear you.
What you gonna? Oh, the baking soda. Open it. Or shake it out. Check what the baking soda. No, so I'm confused. And then
These cupcakes gonna be horrible.
And then what?
You don't
Okay, wait. What? And then the wet ingredient is 1/2 cup butter. 1/2 cup is how much thick? 1/2 cup. What do you mean 1/2 cup butter is
Just 1/4 teaspoon.
Just put the butter
Okay,
in and
see
put it
it,
in the microwave.
mommy? Now 1/2 cup this. So just cut it here so. Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
Use a knife and 1/2 cup.
1/2 cup that no.
quarter cup, 1/3 cup, and then half cup.
I don't understand it. So I say, you know what? If me go wrong today, me go strong and wrong, and me go sit down in my strong and wrongness.
So now half cup here, so.
Just cut it in half.
Okay, guys, so I'm confused. So what else going on? So sugar, 1 cup sugar. Here, the big cup.
The whole thing.
Use the whole butter?
Yes.
Okay, mommy should just say use the whole butter. You know what, guys? You win. Go big or go home. So, butter, and then 1 cup sugar. Ma Alana do that. And then add 3 eggs. Okay. Alright. So the 2 teaspoons of garlic blend. Tell people that how you feel.
One. Changing nothing, not nobody. Take forever.
And then the milk. 1 cup milk. Wait, go on. Alright, stop. 1 cup. No, go on over this now.
Come closer, child.
Go on, come. I see the bowl. Pour it in. Pour it. Why you adding that milk?
Because I'm feeling to make sure it's
Okay.
going properly.
I don't know why this looks so, but okay, the puree, you know.
My turn eat that. I don't know what for do. I can't even want my turn. You know.
So we're gonna add the puree. Okay, so we'll be back when it is making sense, because right now it is not making sense. I don't know why it looks so.
Too enough. Too little bit enough. Too little bit enough.
But trust the process. Trust the process.
There's the camera.
Trust the process. Okay. Well, it is sad to say that we made a sad mistake. But mother came in and fixed us a little bit. And also we lost a soldier in the battlefield. Soldier, would you like to shout out? So we lost a soldier and it's just 2 standing. So we're
Soldier needed to eat.
yes, soldier needs to eat before soldier drop down. So now we made what is now sugar, egg, vanilla, milk, and now we're about to add the strawberry puree. But we're going to switch. So I'm going to be mute and then she's going to be so, okay, so we're going to put the puree into here and then whisk it, and then the dry ingredient, I still talk, which is just kind of like, you know, and then the dry ingredient into that.
Okay. So we had to figure out our life again because the batter was not battering. So Granny had to come help us. So now we are about to put the cupcake liners within the pan and put the batter so we can put it in the oven. Okay.
Okay, so intermission. That's why I don't have on anything. So the cupcake is baking, and I had remaining batter, so I made it into. So I put it in a cake tin, and then now since we're doing everything from scratch, we're making a raspberry crumble for the topping. So it's raspberry jello. That's gonna be with melted butter, and then golden Oreos. So that's what it's giving. That's what it's giving me. So this is what it's giving, and when we make more progress, then we'll get back to you guys. Okay, so my music. Oh God. Chaos. Okay, so we're back. The cupcakes are almost done. So now we're going to make the raspberry crumble. So we melted butter. Now this is the jello. Hold it. Hold it in this one. Hold it and then to the bowl. Pour it. Right. Open it. Okay, go on. Okay, stop. Wait. Okay. Go on, add a little bit more. Little bit. Go on. Okay, stop.
First. The cookies.
Yeah, we're gonna add the cookie in there. So this was looking like with the red. Go on again. Alright.
Man, I can't see. You should have did this.
Okay, put this down now. And then you can put the pan in there. So you can drop the cookie in there and then I'll stir it. Yeah, go on. So you can get thick. Don't throw it.
Why?
Cause I wouldn't know, like, I don't want too much dropouts at once. Okay, so I think this is it. So when the cupcake is done, we're gonna show you guys the frosting, and then we're gonna finally done. Because I'm tired. I'm stressed out. Okay, so we're finally back. This what time we started? Like after 9. It's almost 12 o'clock. Be for real. But anyways, the cupcakes are done. They're done. So now we're going to put frosting on them, pipe it, and then put the crumble, and we'll show you guys the product. Oh, you left with the back of you. We are shoot for life. Okay, so this is this is the finished product of our strawberry raspberry crumble cupcake.
Triangle dots.
And then this was the remaining. Watch out. It's flatbread.
So, okay, so it's time to.
So this was the remaining butter. Okay, so taste test. Everybody dig in. As you know, guys, we made it from scratch. As I said before, normally me and her will bake. I will just do
Me and her.
her and I. We normally just do we
The
call
child has a
it
name?
Mahalan and I normally just do cake mix, but this time we said from
Just like Robert. Why? I won't come out.
and then this time we do it from scratch, and it was trial and tribulation, as you saw. No, sir, this not come off I sitting. Oh my, I'm gonna feel disappointed. It tastes good.
No. You give it a.
Let me rate it. Inside of your, I see me feel like
What do I bake it for?
Look how Soldier come back in the camera after Soldier left with him. Soldier want to come eat painful.
I feel gummy.
Well, I wonder what it would be. Me not do nothing from scratch again.
You know, you follow the right ingredients, that's why.
Too much work.
They might follow 2 ingredients
Trial and
and they
error.
have the every correct thing.
Do not spill our recipe.
Is that who?
I said do not spill our recipe. You should come and use 2 different things.
Make
On the
it
front
one,
here, so.
make it 1 6.
Alright, Marlon, what you give it?
Give them 6 for effort.
Alright, Jody, what you give it?
0.9? No, it tastes good.
And yeah, it could have just cooked
It
more.
can't go on.
What want to cook for?
Well, remember it was a 20
Almost
minutes.
an hour. Cupcake
No.
cook for 20 minutes.
No, it was 20 minutes and you said leave it on for a couple more
And it
minutes.
stay over for about 10 minutes. I'm leaving it on another 15 minutes.
Because it's probably the milk and everything, you know, whatever.
Wrong ingredients.
All the anyways,
The
whatever.
measurement never right here.
Anyways, I'm gonna do my outro.
Measurement gone wrong.
Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the chaos, the madness, and
If
everything.
we do
in
it
between.
tonight,
Don't me I do my outro and you laugh.
we do it myself. Tonight. I'm ever been in hospital tomorrow.
You guys know why.
You don't know what happened to me here? Cupcake
Anyways,
gone wrong.
The cake never baked and it give me bellyache.
Anyways,
Cupcake
thank you
gone
guys.
wrong.
Jesus, please. Can I speak?
No, go ahead.
Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications and hit that bell so you get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And if you would like to see another video like this,
Don't comment.
I'm not like oh not dog me, you know. But anyways, see you guys. Next
The proof is in the pudding.
Right.
See you guys in.
No, sir. See you guys in when?
See you guys in the next video and say bye to my sister and my niece because they're leaving on Saturday.
Bye.
Bye. Say peace in the Middle East.
Ha.
Peace in the Middle East. No.